When you bring home a pet for the first time, they become more than just an animal to you. They become your cherished companion, your best friend. As an animal lover, pet owner, or veterinarian, you strive to provide these animals with the best care and love they deserve. Healy World introduced the Healy Advisor Animal Module to revolutionize the way you care for your beloved pets. Healy Advisor Animal Module combines the best microcurrent application for animals in a dedicated program group, consisting of the 12 most popular and commonly used individualized microcurrent frequency (IMF) programs. These programs are designed to harmonize your pet's bioenergetic field in a simple, versatile, and holistic way while promoting calmness and inner strength. Access all the necessary tools in the complete Healy Animal Kit for seamless and effective application. Cable electrodes ensure the flow of microcurrent through the body, which lets your animals benefit from the harmonization on a physical level. Using these cable electrodes enables the transmission of over 9 million different possible frequencies into the bioenergetic field. As an add-on, the Healy coil can be used for a cable-free experience. The Healy Advisor Animal Module is where technology meets love for your pet's wellness. Here's to a happier, holistic, healthy, and more vibrant life for your beloved furry friends.